Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show the propagation of waves. So I use a 48 plastic straws attached to the scotch tape. So this is scotch tape. Then if I push this one of the straws, wave is propagating in a scotch tape. And then return. To change the tension force on the scotch tape, I use a bananas. So let me show you the propagation of waves. So if I push one of the straws, wave is propagating. So you can easily recognize propagation of waves by looking at the up and down motions of the straws. Okay, now I'd like to measure the required time for the wave to propagate to the other side and return. I use a stopwatch to measure the required time for the wave propagate to the other side and return to the original positions. So if I push this button, I start the stopwatch. So it takes about 0.9 seconds. So let me show you one more time. So 0.83 seconds. 0.87 seconds. So then I'd like to increase tension force of the scotch tape using the more bananas. Instead of the one bananas, I use 4 bananas. So tension force becomes 4 times stronger because of the 4 bananas I use. Then you can easily recognize the fastest propagation speed of waves, because the tension force becomes 4 times stronger than the original one. Then I explain that if we increase the tension force 4 times, then propagation speed of waves becomes 2 times faster. So let me show you this using the stopwatch. So I push this one of the straws and then measure how long does it take for the wave to reach the other side and then return to the original positions. So 0.44 seconds. So one more times. Push the straws. 0.45 seconds. And then I push one of the straws. 0.41 seconds. 0.4 seconds is required for the wave to propagate to the other side and then return to this position. Now, tension force becomes 4 times larger. Speed of the propagation of wave becomes 2 times faster, as I show you. Okay, so now you understand. Propagation speed of wave is closely related to the tension force. Okay, so this is the end of the experiment.